How does postsynaptic density help form brain connections? Imagine your brain as a bustling city where every building needs to connect smoothly to the next. The postsynaptic density acts like a busy control center that keeps these connections strong and organized. It is a special area just beneath the surface of neurons where signals are received. This structure is packed with hundreds of proteins that work together to make sure communication between neurons happens efficiently. It gathers important receptors like NMDA and AMPA, which are key for detecting signals from other neurons. These receptors are positioned precisely where neurotransmitters, the brain's chemical messengers, are released. This close placement allows for quick and effective signaling. The postsynaptic density also contains scaffold proteins like PSD95 that act like anchors, holding everything in place. These scaffolds connect receptors to the inside of the neuron, linking them to the cell's internal skeleton. This connection helps the neuron change shape and grow, especially in tiny protrusions called dendritic spines. Dendritic spines are small bumps on neurons where most excitatory signals are received. During early brain development, the postsynaptic density is vital for forming new synapses, which are the connections between neurons. It helps stabilize these connections by anchoring receptors and signaling molecules, making sure they stay in the right place. This stabilization supports the growth and shaping of dendritic spines, which is essential for learning and adapting. The postsynaptic density also plays a role in synaptic plasticity, which is the brain's way of strengthening or weakening connections based on activity. When a synapse becomes stronger, like during learning, the postsynaptic density grows larger and recruits more receptors and signaling proteins. This activity-dependent change makes the connection more effective. In early childhood, as infants learn from their environment, the postsynaptic density helps form and refine neural circuits. It allows the brain to adapt to new experiences by creating stronger or weaker connections as needed. Problems with the proteins in the postsynaptic density have been linked to neurodevelopmental disorders, showing how important it is for proper brain growth. In short, the postsynaptic density helps form brain connections by organizing and stabilizing the molecules needed for communication. It supports the creation, growth, and strengthening of synapses during early brain development, shaping the neural networks that are the foundation for learning and thinking.